Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be having a look at this awesome budget two-way radio from PXTON. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase these awesome two-way radios and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase these radios. Alright, let's begin with some quick size references, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this radio. Right here it is next to a deck of cards, and it looks to be almost about the same thickness as well. Let's get a rough measurement for the overall length from the tip of the antenna to the bottom of the base there. What you guys think? Just about 7.5 inches overall length. Alright, let's get one of these on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting around your waist here. And this is an all plastic construction, so it should be pretty light. Coming in at 5.2 ounces. And in case you're wondering what 5.2 ounces feels like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 6 of those. Really quick, guys, I'm fairly certain that these PXTON radios are just rebranded and relabeled. I'm pretty sure they're the same two-way radio as the Baofeng BF-888S. Now, the reason I'm bringing that up is if you look up the PXTON radios online, you're going to find a good amount of reviews on it. But if you look up the Baofeng version of it, you're going to find tons of different tutorials and reviews teaching you how to program these radios by using software. So these radios have a massive underground following in the radio community. Here's everything that comes in the box. You basically get 2 of everything. You get 2 radios, 2 antennas, 2 batteries, 2 earphones, 2 lanyards, 2 chargers, 2 clips, and of course this one user manual that is exactly the same as the Baofeng one. Now when you get the radios in, the antenna is not going to be attached. All you got to do is screw it in. And there's also many different types of antennas available for this model as well if you want it to pick up a little bit longer when you can. This is how you install the battery to the back of the radio. Now, if you look at the model number, it's very similar to the Baofeng one, so I'm fairly certain it's the same radio. Now, to put the battery in, you just slant it in like this and push. It'll lock into place. And then to eject it, there's a lever back here. There you go. All you got to do is pull it down, and it ejects. Now, these batteries can be charged attached to the radio itself, or if you have a bunch of additional batteries lying around, you can just plug them in straight to the charger. We got these 2 knobs on the top here. The one on the right is your off and on and your volume adjust, and the one on the left nearest to the antenna is your channel select. You have 16 different channels. Now, there's no screen on here to let you know what channel you're on, so there is a voice prompt on here. Let's give it a listen.
Power on. 5.
Now, you can elect to turn that off, but I would leave it on because you have
6. 5.
really no way of knowing what channel you're on, or if you're even off or on. On the right hand side of the radio, there is a rubber flap protecting your earphone jack. Then over on the left hand side, you have your push to talk button. This is your monitor button to break your squelch, and this is how you turn the flashlight on and off. Then over on the right side here, you have your signal indicator. So when you aren't transmitting, it'll turn red. And then when you are receiving, it'll turn green. Now, the reason I bought this was to practice communicating with my spotter when navigating around obstacles in the road, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So in an urban environment with homes and electrical wires and buildings in the way, I got about 0.6 miles, which is roughly about 960 meters. And to put a visual on it, it's about 10 US football fields. So at the very edge of the 0.6 miles, it was a little bit staticky, but anything within half a mile got crystal clear reception. Once again, guys, this two-way radio is by PXTON, which is basically the same version as the Baofeng one. If you're looking for a great two-way radio that doesn't cost a lot of money, that you can really get in here and customize on the inside by programming with software and connect it to a bunch of other units, this might be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome two-way radio, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.